What do 10mm wheel spacers before and after look like? Choosing the right wheel spacer size depends on your driving style, your car's modification, and your goals. When choosing wheel spacers, size is a key factor. From racing track day to daily commuter comforts, there are many choices of wheel spacer fitment, depending on the car's year and model. Your vehicle has a range of potential stock wheel spacer size, including 3mm, 5mm, 10mm, 12mm, 15mm, and 20mm up to 50mm. 10mm wheel spacers are components that increase the track width. The wider track enlarges the support surface of the vehicle, hence improving the performance in the curve. The contact point with the ground stand wider apart, creating better stability and keeping the car on the track.
Precise hub-central wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure the smooth operation of the vehicle wheel parts. In order to ensure perfect fitment, BONOSS has launched specific hub-centric design. The hub-central wheel spacers are machined with multi-stage hub-central rings. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers fill the corresponding hub spaces, which eliminates any possible gaps. The industry-recognized material for BONOSS wheel spacer is aluminum alloy, usually two types of aluminum alloy, 6061T6 and 7075T6 aluminum alloy. The forged aluminum alloy will have a denser structure and better performance than customized, meaning in terms of tensile strength, yield strength, and proof load data. The hollow-out design of BONOSS forged wheel spacers effectively reduces your weight and energy consumption, improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.